Dear students, we are going to solve English workshop activity of lesson The House Builder. So let's start today's activity. This is the English workshop activity, and now let's go question wise. So question number 1, English workshop activity. See, first question. Find from the story the noun forms of the following. So here are given 8 words, and now write the noun forms. हे नाम लिहायचं आहे. दिलेल्या शब्दाचं नाम आपल्याला करायचं आहे, नाउन करायचं आहे. सी, डेडिकेट. सो नाउन ऑफ डेडिकेट इज डेडिकेशन. TION हा प्रत्यय लावला की त्याचं नाउन होतं. सेकंड वन, मेजर. येस, मेजरमेंट. डिसाइड. डिसाइड, डिसिजन. परफेक्ट. परफेक्ट, perfection. Number 5, own. Ownership. Then give. Give means देणे. Give, gift. Then responsible. जबाबदार. जबाबदारी आपण त्याला म्हणतो responsibility. Then persist. Already we have seen in this lesson that persistence. Okay, note down all these answers and see next question. Question number 2. Choose the proper phrase expression to complete the sentences meaningfully. Okay, now here in this bracket, here are given some phrases or expressions. Which are they? See, to send for, with full dedication, in great demand, to meet the needs of, make up one's mind, to no avail, and to hand over. Now see, first question. She does her job, and which is the correct phrase or expression? She does her job with full dedication. पूर्ण समर्पण देऊन, निष्ठेनं ती तिचा जॉब करते. Then one should ... to help others when needed. Okay, so one should make one's mind to help other. आपण मनाची तयारी केली पाहिजे दुसऱ्यांना मदत करताना. when needed, एखाद्याला गरज असेल तेव्हा आपण मदत करणं गरजेचं आहे. Number 3, as Mr. Jadhav was transferred from Chennai, he had ... his responsibilities to his assistant. Okay, so he had handed over. म्हणजेच त्यांनी त्यांची जबाबदारी ही दुसऱ्या व्यक्तीवरती, दुसऱ्या असिस्टंटवरती सोपवली त्यांची ट्रान्सफर झाल्यानंतर. सो टू हँडेड ओव्हर, आपली जबाबदारी दुसऱ्यावरती देणे. Number 4, the laborer's income was not sufficient ... his family. So the correct option is to meet the needs of. Laborer, we know, एका मजुराचा जो इन्कम आहे तो त्याच्या फॅमिलीच्या सर्व गरजा पूर्ण करण्यासाठी सफिशियंट नसतो. सो इट वॉज नॉट सफिशियंट टू मीट द नीड्स ऑफ हिज फॅमिली. Number 5, because of the fault in the wiring, they will have ... an electrician. So correct option and correct answer is to send for. वायरिंग मध्ये बिघाड आल्यामुळे त्यांनी ते कुठं पाठवून दिलं? इलेक्ट्रिशियन कडे पाठवून दिलं. Then number 6, mother tried hard to change her son's habits but to no avail. परंतु त्याचा काहीही फायदा झालेला नाही. सर्व प्रयत्न वाया गेलेले आहेत. नेक्स्ट, Number 7, mangoes from Ratnagiri are always what? In great demand. नेहमीच रत्नागिरीच्या आंब्यांना खूप डिमांड असतो. Okay, see next question. Question number 3. Read the story and answer in your words. See first question. The owners of the new houses built by the mason would be extremely pleased. Why? म्हणजेच त्या मेसननं घरं बांधल्यानंतर जे काही त्या नवीन घराचे जे मालक असतील ते खूप आनंदी असायचे, त्यांना खूप आनंद व्हायचा. का? ओके, वी नो दॅट. सी आन्सर. The houses built by the mason were better than the expectations of the owners, and that is why the owners were extremely pleased. म्हणजे त्यांच्या अपेक्षेपेक्षा कितीतरी पटीने चांगलं घर ते बांधलेलं असायचं, म्हणून त्यांना तो आनंद व्हायचा. सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर compensated for the mason's good work. How? आता compensated means मोबदला. ओके, कोणता मोबदला दिला गेला त्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर कडून त्या मेसनला त्याच्या चांगल्या कामाबद्दल? आपल्याला माहिती आहे. The contractor planned a beautifully designed house to be built at a prime location, and he gifted it to the mason to compensate for the mason's good work. त्याच्या चांगल्या कामाबद्दल त्याला एक सुंदर अशा ठिकाणी एक चांगलं घर त्याला गिफ्ट म्हणून द्यायचं कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरनं ठरवलं होतं. And last question. The mason made a firm decision to retire when? केव्हा त्या मेसननं रिटायर होण्याचं डिसिजन घेतलं? See, the mason made a firm decision to retire when he had a grandchildren. त्याला जेव्हा नातवंड झाली तेव्हा त्यानं ठरवून टाकलं की आता आपणाला रिटायरमेंट घेणं गरजेचं आहे. So these are the answers of question number 3, A, B and C. See next question, question number 4. Okay, here is given one table and read the following words from the story aloud and fill them in the proper columns. Okay, already we have seen detail about one syllable words, two syllable words, three syllable words in the warming up activity. And still, if you have not seen that video, just touch here on I button and watch that video, and so you will understand this concept of syllables. And let's complete this table now. First one, story. So this is two syllable words, story. Then work. Okay, one syllable word. बारकाईने तुम्ही जर प्रनन्सिएशन ऐकलं तर तुम्हाला ते सहजरित्या समजणार आहे. आपल्याला उच्चार किती वेळा ऐकायला येतोय. सी perfection. Yes, it is three syllable word. Then architect. T is silent here. Three syllable words. Then leave, one syllable. Building, two syllable. Then full, one syllable word. Door, yes, one syllable. Way, one syllable. Quality, three syllable. Quality. Responsibility, okay, more than three syllabic words. Measurement, okay, three syllable word. Measurement, तीन वेळा आपल्याला उच्चार ऐकायला येतोय. Then great, okay. Many, two syllable word. Avail, okay, one syllable word. Then excellent, excellent, 3-syllable word. Material, material. Complete, complete. Then sufficiently. Okay, it is more than 3-syllabic words. Ready, 2-syllable words. Then document. Okay, 3-syllable word. Then broad, 1-syllable. Happy. Okay, 2-syllable. Happy. Ownership. Ownership. P is silent here. See, 3-syllable word. Then subsequently. Okay, more than 3-syllabic word. So complete this table and see next question. Question number 5. Words that have the same sound, pronunciation but differ in spellings and meanings are called homophones. ओके, होमोफोन्स ही एक लँग्वेज स्टडी मधली संकल्पना आपल्याला इथं समजून घ्यायची आहे. इथं स्पष्ट दिलेलं आहे वर्ड्स दॅट हॅव सेम साऊंड, म्हणजे असे शब्द ज्यांचा उच्चार सारखा येतो, साऊंड और प्रोनाउन्सिएशन ज्याचा उच्चार सारखा येतो, बट डिफर इन स्पेलिंग अँड मिनिंग, परंतु त्याचा अर्थ आणि त्याचं स्पेलिंग हे पूर्णतः वेगळं असतं. अशा शब्दांना दे आर कॉल्ड होमोफोन्स. Example is also given here. For example, hair, hair. Okay, H-A-I-R, hair. Hair means case, and here hair means sasa. So pronunciation is same, hair, hair, but spelling is also different and meaning is also different. See, like eight, eight, A-T-E, eight, khalle. It is one verb in past form, and EIGHT 8. It is number. Then write, write. Okay. See, see. So in this way, here is given one list of words and just pick out from the lessons homophones of the following words. Okay, waste. W-A-I-S-T, waste. Waste, W-A-S-T, waste. Okay, new, new. Lose, lose. Made. Okay, M-A-D, made, made, made. Great, great. One, one. Sight, S-I-G-H-T, sight, and S-I-T, sight. Weak, weak. Wood, wood. And sea, S-E-A-C, sea, samudra. Okay, already we have seen here sea. Okay, note down all these homophones and see next question. Question number 5b. Select any 3 pairs of homophones from above and make simple sentences of your own to show the difference in their meaning. Okay, so this is the list. Pick out any 3 words and make sentences. See, she tied a red belt around her waist. Red, लाल रंगाचा बेल्ट तिनं तिच्या वेस्ट भोवती गुंडाळला. So waste word, concentrate on this word. Now see, we must not waste food. आपण अन्न वाया घालवता कामा नाही. So waste, waste. Second, Sagar reads 1 book every week. Week. And another sentence is, after his illness he became very weak. Next, the maid helped her to the household. Maid means here molkarin, nokarani, and here he made a beautiful lantern. Made म्हणजेच तयार करणे. So note down these sentences and see next question. Always do your best. What you plan now, you will harvest later. So here is given one expression. Always do your best म्हणजे नेहमी आपण चांगलं काम करणं गरजेचं आहे. What you plan now you will harvest later. कारण आज तुम्ही जे पेरणार आहात तेच उगवणार आहे किंवा तेच तुम्हाला मिळणार आहे. So write a paragraph on about topic with an interesting example of the same. म्हणजे हे जे वरती सेंटेन्स दिलेला आहे, एक्सप्रेशन दिलेली आहे, त्याच्याशी अनुसरून आपल्याला इथे एक एक्झाम्पल लिहायचं आहे. Okay, so see, I would like to provide here one example. Sunita and Monica had joined a tailoring class. Sunita loved tailoring and she followed the instruction of her teachers carefully. She did her work with patience. She was perfect with the measurements. She cut the clothes straight without allowing the scissors to miss the line. Eventually, she became an expert in tailoring. On the other hand, Monica was always in a hurry to finish the work. She did not care about perfect measurements. Her scissors always missed the lines. Later, when both started taking orders, customers flooded towards Sunita, while Monica lost all of them. Soon, Sunita became very rich and employed Monica to help her. She gave her the valuable advice, always do your best. What you plant now will harvest later. आज तू जे करणार आहेस तेच तुला उद्या परत मिळणार आहे. So Monica had learned her lesson. She also started taking interest in work and tried to do her best. So this is the example. You can just copy down in your notebook. And here we have just completed our English workshop activity. इथं सुनीता आणि मोनिका नावाच्या दोन मुलींची गोष्ट आपण पाहिलेली आहे. दोघीही टेलरिंग क्लास जॉईन करतात, परंतु सुनीता हे आपलं काम अतिशय चांगल्या प्रकारे पेशन्सनी आणि परफेक्ट मेजरमेंट घेऊन करायची. मोनिका मात्र त्याकडे दुर्लक्ष करायची आणि जेव्हा त्या दोघी टेलरिंग व्यवसाय करू लागल्या तेव्हा सुनीताकडे मात्र भरपूर लोक येऊ लागली आणि तिचा टेलरिंगचा व्यवसाय फार चांगला चालला होता. मोनिकाकडे मात्र कोणीही फिरकत नव्हतं. म्हणजे तुम्ही जे आज करणार आहात तेच तुम्हाला उद्या भेटणार आहे. तुम्ही प्रामाणिकपणे जर काम केलं तर तुम्हाला त्याचं फळ देखील चांगलंच मिळणार आहे. सो दिस इज द स्टोरी. ऑलवेज डू युअर बेस्ट and best of luck to your study. That's it in this video. Thank you very much for watching till to end, and don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.